If you'd like to see how I'm going to transform these little rubber plain Walmart sandals and transform them into these really pretty rhinestone embellished sandals, keep watching this video. Hey YouTube! So today in this video I'm going to be adding some rhinestones and pearls to these little affordable Walmart sandals. I purchased these a couple months ago and I just didn't get around to adding anything on them. They're really cute as is because they're like nice and bright. These are like a size 8 in toddlers, but I just always wanted to add at least some type of rhinestones or a strip of something here. I'm not gonna sand them. I just don't think it's necessary, but these are like a little rubber material. And I'm going to be using rhinestones and pearls and some of these rectangle gems I have on this plate. Wax pickup tool. And I'm going to use the Bob Smith Industries extra thick MAXI Cure glue that I've been using lately. And I'm just going to go ahead and get started. So I'm starting off by adding a little line of glue onto the very edge of the sandal. And I'm just going to go as quickly as I can, but not rushing it, because once you put this glue on, after a few seconds, whatever you put on it does lock into place. So keep that in mind. If you have something on there crooked, you have a very limited time that you can fix it and straighten it back up. So keep that in mind. So I'm kind of just taking these 5mm rhinestones and just going over the edge. Then I'm just going to fill in that middle portion of the shoe. And this is something that's very simple and quick, and I can already see the transformation taking place. Because like I said, these sandals are very, very plain, but they're still cute. Now I'm just going in with some 6mm pink pearls, and then I'll use some of those, a couple of those larger size rectangle gems as well. And I do have some rhinestones available on my website now. At first I was only selling them on eBay. I now also have them available on myroyalradiance.com. I'm still adding more colors and more options. I have tons of colors to add, but I do have some available now. I have this 5mm pink rhinestone available there. I like what I did here, but I do like it and I don't like it. I meant to add one of these in the center. I just think it looks funny with just the two on the side. But I don't want to add any more rhinestones or pearls. For this part, I actually just want to put some of this strip that I have here. And this was like a sheet of adhesive rhinestone. I just cut it to the size I want it. It already has some very good stick on it, but I want to make sure it doesn't come off. I probably cut it too. So I'm going to also add on the Bob Smith glue. And get that on there as straight as possible. Gonna let that dry and then add some embellishments to the other shoe. I'm going to make sure the other shoe is as close as possible to this one, even though I did want something. So the reason why I like this Bob Smith glue is because it adheres very, very well to this rubber material. And I have tested it before to where I didn't sand an area down and it's still locked on very good. And it locks on within 30 to 40 seconds and it fully cures in 3 hours. But you do have to make sure that you're careful with it, because if it gets smudging, you use too much, it will cloud everything in sight. So keep that in mind. Okay, you guys, here is the final finished result of these little size 8 toddler sandals. And these would be cute if you wanted to spruce up a shoe to wear to a special event or to a birthday party or something like that. or just everyday playwear. This sandal was no more than $10. I'm sure it was under $10. And I think they look really cute. My daughter loves them. When she woke up the next day and saw them, she said they were so pretty. So something like this will be great because think about it. School is starting back up, and maybe if you don't have a lot of money to spend on something very fancy, or you just don't want to spend a bunch of money on a shoe, you never know that this little shoe was no more than about $7 because of how flashy and how spruced up it is. So this will be great for a first day back to school shoe. This would also, especially before the weather breaks and it gets cold, this will be an awesome baby shower gift because I'm sure these came in even smaller sizes as well. A great baby shower gift, like I said, a special event shoe, and there's just so many different things that you can do. You can go with all pearls, you can go with all chunky gems, or you can just do the strip I did at the top. Do that strip at the bottom as well. There's just so much that you can do with this shoe. I love shoes like this because you can really jazz them up. So this does conclude this video. If you did enjoy it, give it a thumbs up. I hope that you did receive some really cool ideas from watching this. And thanks again, you guys, for watching. Bye-bye. Website myroyalradiance.com, and we do carry faux leather inspired designer fabric for your crafting needs, luxury inspired croc charms, as well as iron-on patches and much more. Enjoy the coupon code MyRoyalBeauty10 off. Check out our website, crtactildefense.com, where we do sell in-waistband gun holsters, belly band holsters, and many more. Please check out my discount code VIBES for a special discount for my subscribers. And be sure to hit that notification bell if you are going to subscribe to this channel, so that way you'll know when I upload new videos and new content. I'm almost at 18,000 subscribers, so that's just absolutely amazing. Hello to all my new subscribers. Hello to all of my subscribers. And when you guys have questions or anything, be sure to put those in the comment section. I do read your questions, and I try my best in a timely fashion to respond to your questions, so that way you'll know what's going on or whatever links you need. Usually they are almost always in the description area, so be sure to check that area out. And you can follow me on Instagram at lifeisawholevibe with underscores in between each word if you aren't already. I'm also on TikTok. And thanks again, you guys, for watching this video. Bye-bye.